Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a border around the whole page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu and go to the drawing and click new. Then go to the shape option, go and click a rectangle. Now I'm insert a rectangle. Then go to the fill color and click transparent. Then go to the border white. Now I am change the border white. Then I am change the border color. Now I'm then save and close. Then go to the image option and go to the text wrapping and click import of text. Here we can see insert border around whole page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.